कि जो
So, my dear students, it is Saturday today, and you know very well that on Saturday we have only speaking session, and the students of all batches come together. And though I give you a topic on speaking, but today I leave it on you that on what topic you want to speak. So choose any good idea, any good topic. It may be some new also, and now then speak upon that topic. And for the students of B19, because they are new students but they have started speaking, so they can speak on their mother, father, friends, whatever they want. Okay, so we are starting today's session, and first of all, I have, yes, I have got some names. Very good. Shabash. And speak without any fear in your mind. Okay, so first of all, I'm calling Rohit, and I would like to say to all that when someone speaks, the remaining candidates of the group must listen to that person carefully. So now we are starting our session, and first of all, I am calling Rohit. Yes, come on, Rohit.
Yeah, yes, sir. Hello, good evening, everyone. My name is Rohit Yadav, and today I'm going to tell you about sports. As we all know, when you go to a doctor when you are ill, so the doctor says every time only one word that you have to play or you have to be physically good.
Mm-hmm.
And what does the doctor wants to tell you physically fit? It wants to tell us that we have to play outside our houses. We should not always in our we should not watch always phone in our houses. We should also go outside of our house. And as you all know that sports are the key for the physical health. And when you play sports or when you do any of the sport, then your body is very active. Like if you are a swimmer or a badminton player, and then a second is very important for you. Not in badminton or swimming, in every type of sports it is important for you. And every second is very important. Like in football also, if the ball is with you, then the attacker or defenders or the players in the football can take ball from you in only 1 second. And in cricket also, if the lack of focus will not be there, then it will then the bowler either take your wicket or will harm you. In my view, I think that sport teaches us very good things like leadership, teamwork, and these types of things. And always keep in mind that without sports or without any physical work, you cannot get the you cannot be physically fit. And in army selections also, they ask that in which sport are you good, because they want their soldiers to be very active. And the every like if you are going to any interview, RAS, IAS, these types of interview, they also ask which sports you are like to play. Because if an RAS officer will not be fit, how he or she will
Mm-hmm.
manage the district or the state. So they also ask that which sport you are like to play. If someone don't like to play anything, you only used to sit at his house, then the selectors sometimes don't allow them to become a IS or or become an officer in any field. In my view, I think that the sports are very important. Without sports, a person will be fatty, and a big fat cannot bring a person to his success. That's it, sir.
Very good. Shabash. But at the time of speaking, mind the verb forms.
Okay,
फोकस
sir.
करो थोड़ा सा, फोकस ऑन वर्क फॉर्म्स. देयर आर सो मेनी मिस्टेक्स इन योर वर्क फॉर्म, सो try to correct them. Okay.
Okay,
Yes,
sir.
now
Thank you.
Harsh, come.
Yes, sir. Hello, good evening, everyone. My name is Harsh Yadav, and today my topic is a sport named cricket. As we know that in India there are many games that are played by the Indian people, and cricket is the most liked and played game in cricket in India. But not only in India, it is played all over the world, and now it is in now it is spreading in all over the world. Uh, before before it was there only in Asia, but now it is there in Australia, South America, North America, etc. Uh, Cricket is very important for our physical health as it teaches us many things like concentration, focus level, and and many more things.
मोटर बंद कर दी क्या?
uh, Concentration is very important in cricket as without it a person will not able to do anything in it as it want a lot of as cricket want a lot of concentration because if you are bowling then you should concentrate on the lineup of the fields set up by your captain, what the player is saying to you, and what is the posture of what is the posture of your opponent player, and where is your leg going. We should concentrate on all these things while doing bowling,
हम्म.
but not only in bowling but also in fielding, batting. As if you are a fielder, then 1 second can lose your team, and there is a say in the cricket that catches wins matches.
हम्म.
And if you are not concentrated or focusing on your opponent team player, then it will take benefit of you. It will, and the crowd will say many things to you to break your focus, like your opponent team supporters will abuse you and will say many things to break your concentration, so the team which they are supporting can take benefit of it.
हम्म.
So cricket teaches us many things, and and it is not important in cricket to be educated. Cricket provides us many things like it gives us money, reputation,
हम्म.
earning. It is an earning source for all the people, and it is most played in India,
हाँ.
and it is organized by ICC,
हम्म.
and the teams which win get a, a prize, like the team which wins get money or a trophy,
हम्म.
and medals, bonus, interviews are given and taken by the players to share their experience, that how they become so popular. And one thing is special in cricket, that in cricket the there are the people who are from um, poor families. As in poor families, people do not have money to educate their child, so they send them to the education field. You can take example of any player. uh, all the players are 10th fail, 12th fail,
हम्म.
and but now they are earning a lot of money through it. That's it, sir.
Very good, shabash. Nice efforts. Keep it up. Yes, Tanish.
Good evening, all of you. I am a student of Ramban Interactive Classes. Today, my topic is my school. My school name is Saini Adarsh Vidya Mandir Senior Secondary School, Pandikoi.
हम्म.
My school principal name is Mr. Kamlesh Chandraji sir.
हम्म.
He speak English very nice.
Very
He
good.
is a best. He is a best teacher. My school has a big playground. There are many students. There are many students in my school, and there are many teachers in my school.
Hmm.
My school has a 7 institute.
शाबाश, घबरा मत, आराम से बोल। वे बहुत बढ़िया
There
बोला।
are many schools in my city, but my school is very popular in my city.
Hmm.
All teachers are graduate in my school.
Hmm.
I play badminton in my school
Hmm.
on Saturday.
Very good. Hmm.
I like very much my school. That's it.
शाबाश बेटा, बहुत बढ़िया बेटा, बहुत बढ़िया बोला। Very good. Keep it up. Yes. Now, Yamini.
Yes, sir. Hello, everyone. My name is Yashasvi Sahu. I am the student of Ramban English Online Interactive Classes from batch PAT.
Hmm.
Today, my topic is mobile phone. As we all know that the present age is also known by the age of science
Hmm.
because science has given so many useful and magical gifts
Hmm.
like uh, TV, electricity, internet, fridge, etc.
Hmm.
These gifts uh, has these gifts have become our life very comfortable.
Have made our life very comfortable. Become कैसे आएगा?
Have made our life very comfortable.
हाँ.
Mobile phone is one of them.
Hmm.
In simple words, we can say mobile phone is the one of the most important gift of science. It is also called the small magical box
Hmm.
because it has so many qualities.
Hmm.
Nowadays, we can see every people has mobile phone.
हाँ. All people बोलो बेटा.
All people have mobile phone.
Hmm.
Uh, fast it is the fastest source of communication.
Hmm.
We can communicate with a person in at anywhere
Hmm.
in at any time.
Hmm.
Mobile phone has so many apps
Hmm.
which are so useful.
Hmm.
Google, YouTube, social media apps, etc.
Hmm.
These apps connected. These apps are connected ourselves by the world.
Hmm.
These apps, by these apps, we can do our time pass.
Hmm.
We can earn money.
Hmm.
We can show our talent. Also, we can improve our skills.
Hmm.
The mobile is called mini TV also.
Hmm.
Mobile uh, when we have not
Had
mobile
not. We did not have. Yeah, we
we
had
did,
not.
when we had not mobile phone,
Hmm.
we used letters
Hmm.
which was so slow process,
Hmm.
but now it it becomes so fast.
It has become.
It has become so fast.
Hmm.
Mobile phone has done those things which are almost impossible for us,
Which were.
which were almost impossible for us,
Hmm.
like mobile phone. Mobile phone has a system by which we can communicate with others. Also, also seeing their faces.
Hmm.
uh, Mobile by the using mobile phone we can do business, home business, we can get publicity.
Hmm.
um, the students who are not able for going coaching, they can take they can take classes
टेक
by
की
the
जरूरत नहीं है यहाँ पर, कैन टेक क्लासेस, सब्जेक्ट तो पहले आ गया है इसका। हाँ।
take these classes by the help of it.
हम्म।
The mobile phone has so many qualities, but I cannot measure all of them in some few words.
हम्म।
It is last but not least
वेरी गुड।
mobile mobile. But as we know, everything has two sides, good and bad. Mobile phone also has the bad side,
हम्म।
which which cannot be ignored.
वेरी गुड, शाबाश, बहुत बढ़िया। हम्म।
Like if like our today's generation, which which almost falling down in the habit of overusing phone day by day.
वर्क फॉर्म का ध्यान रखो थोड़ा सा, बाकी सब बढ़िया है, फर्स्ट क्लास। फोकस करो वर्क फॉर्म पे, आगे बढ़ो।
Over overusing phone day by day.
हम्म।
Because of using mobile phone more, we we lost our eye brightness,
लूज लूज।
lose our eye brightness.
हम्म।
Some people use the mobile phone for their black business. They sell the drugs, guns, etc. by the help of it. Some people some people hack the mobile phones and stolen money for other
स्टोल
stolen
स्टोल स्टोल स्टील।
steal money of other people.
हम्म।
So mobile phone is so good for us, but it is only good सर तब तक को क्या बोलेंगे, जब तक को, till that.
अनटिल, हाँ अनटिल लगा दो, टिल देन कर दो।
Mobile phone is useful till then we use it in good ways. Thank you sir, that's it.
वेरी गुड, शाबाश। थोड़ा सा वर्क फॉर्म पे फोकस करो, ये सभी लोगों से कह रहा हूँ मैं ये बात, वर्क फॉर्म में गड़बड़ कर जाते हो आप लोग, बाकी सब बढ़िया है आपका। और थोड़ा सा फोकस करो, बोलते समय ध्यान पर सुना करो, अपनी रिकॉर्डिंग्स जरूर याद करके, इसको मिस नहीं करना है। रक्षित।
Yes, sir. Hello, everyone. My name is Rakshit Maurya, and today I am telling about rural areas.
वेरी गुड।
As we all know that we live in India, and along with the urban areas, there are also many rural areas in India. If we see the past records, there are much more rural areas than urban areas. But in present time, the percentage of rural areas is going to be equal to the urban areas
वेरी
because
गुड।
India is developing day by day. And today I'm telling about rural areas. As we all know that rural areas are also important as urban areas. The, and but there are less facilities in rural areas because there is less use of technology, there is less facilities, and there is less use of technology and artificial things. So the people of rural areas are less dependent on these things, and they do hard work. And they believe in their own physical and mental strength. And uh, and uh, and as everything has its own merits and demerits,
वेरी गुड।
so rural areas also has its merits and demerits. First of all, I'm talking about the merits of rural areas. First of all, the rural areas are not much crowded as urban areas. They are open areas there because there are many big fields and etc. And in rural areas there is a lot of greenery. So the environment of the rural areas is very fresh, and people of these places get fresh oxygen, and they are healthy by their physical and mental ability. And in rural areas, the in rural areas, most of the people are dependent on agriculture and rearing of cattle, and in rural areas there are less use of vehicles, so this reduces the use of petroleum products, and also reduces harmful gases in the environment, and there are less factories, so the harmful gases are not produced in these areas, and so these are the major merits of the rural areas. But now I'm talking about the demerits of the rural areas. As well know that rural areas are not much developed, and there are not big schools and big hospitals, so and in a few rural areas there are not hospitals, so they have to go to cities and for treatment, and it takes a lot of time.
Shabash.
So
Hmm.
and if a person gets sir sir उसको क्या बोलेंगे, if a person gets a lot of injury, so it is very hard to take it, because it takes time, and it takes a lot of time, and if there are hospitals, so there are if there are hospitals in rural areas, but the hospitals are very small, and big operations and treatments are no cannot be done in that areas, and there are not big schools, so there is less education, so these are the major demerits of rural areas, and thank you sir, that's it.
Very good, beta. बहुत बढ़िया. Shabash. And now this is the turn of Sushil.
Hello everyone, my name is Sushil and I am the student of the Ramban online interactive classes from B16 and also from B18. And today sir has given us chance to speak on any topic according to our wish.
Hmm.
So today my topic is Raksha Bandhan.
Hmm.
As we know that we are Bharatiya and we live in Bharatiya, and Bharat is known for its culture and its festivals.
Hmm.
There are many festivals like Holi, Diwali, Tej, Gangaur, Janmashtami, etc. And these all festivals are celebrated with happiness and joy.
Hmm.
Raksha Bandhan is one of them. And this festival is also called Festival of Sisters and Brothers. On this day, all markets have shops of Rakhi and sweets,
Hmm.
and all sisters and lady go to market for buying Rakhi, rice and sweets, and brother also go to market for buying gifts for their sisters.
Hmm.
On this day, uh, first of all, sisters and brothers sit on the ground, and sisters tie Rakhi to their brothers and then apply Kika on their
Forehead.
forehead, and also sisters offer sweets to their brothers,
Hmm.
and after it, brothers give money or gifts to to their sisters, and also they promise that they will protect and help in future.
Hmm.
On this day, special food is made like dal bati, kheer,
Hmm.
puri sabji, etc.
Hmm.
And on this day, all people are happy, but the person who doesn't have sister, he's sad. because he feel because he feels that he doesn't have any sister, so we can understand his feelings. And this festival is celebrated with happiness and joy. And on this day, all people are happy. That's it.
शाबाश, बहुत बढ़िया बेटा, वेरी गुड, करते रहो कोशिश, शाबाश। कोमल,
Yes, sir. Hello everyone, my name is Komal Bharwa and I am the student of Ramban Online Interactive Classes from Batch 11. And today my topic is mobile phone. We all know that we live in the age of science, and today is the age of today present age is the science age.
सवाल
And
बेटा आराम से बोलना बेटा, घबरा मत। हाँ,
yes sir, we all know that science has given many different types useful and biggest invention for us, like mobile phone, TV, washing machine, LED lights, fan, cooler, etc. All things are useful for us and we use it them in our daily life. We all know that mm, our basic needs are food, water, clothes, and money also. But mobile phone is one of them, because mobile phone is a basic need for a human life, because we can't survive in a day without mobile phone. And mobile phone is very useful for us, and in the mobile phone there are many types of apps, like play store, gallery, and camera, calculator, and social medias app, online classes application, and other etc.
क्या बात है।
All apps are very useful for us, and we can use that apps in our daily life, like we all know that play store is very useful app for us. We can we can install any app from the with the help of play store, and with the gallery is also helpful for us, because in the gallery we can save our memorable photos and document photos, and others etc. And camera is also important for us. With the help of camera we can save memory and save documents with the help of camera. And calculator is also helpful app for us. We can solve hard mathematics with the help of calculator. And with the help of mobile phone we can take online classes in daily. And we can
डेली करो, बस इन क्यों लगा रहे हो? हाँ बोलो।
yes sir, we can take we can we can preparation for a government job.
कैन प्रिपेयर,
We can prepare a we can prepare any exam with the help of mobile phone, because we can watch many types of good classes from to our subjects also. And mobile phone is very useful, and mobile phone is also harmful for us, because many people and children also use it at long time very much, and they become they become eyesight and headache.
दे कॉज। आगे
Yes
बोलो,
sir.
कोई बात नहीं, आगे बोलो।
And we all know that mobile phone is run by electricity and charger also, and internet is also used in the mobile phone. Without internet, mobile phone is can't run.
इस क्यों लगा
Sorry
रही है?
sir.
हाँ बोल बोल बोल
and uh, that's it, sir.
वेरी गुड घबराया मत करो अच्छे से आराम से शाबाश एंड नाउ निशांत
Yes, sir. Hello, everyone. My name is Nishant. I am a student of Ramban Online Interactive Classes. Today's my topic is my village. As we all know that most of the peoples who live in cities belong to the villages. I am also belong to village. My village name is Karo. My village is situated in Karoli.
हम्म,
Karoli is a 33rd district of Rajasthan.
हम्म,
It is very big. There are many facilities also. There is a proper bus stand which is very big.
हम्म,
There is a transport facilities.
हाँ देयर आर
Ma-
ट्रांसपोर्ट फैसिलिटीज हाँ
There are transport facilities. My village is very beautiful. There my grandmother also lives here. Also lives there
हम्म,
with my uncle.
शाबाश
She takes care of our fields.
हम्म,
My grandmother grow many types of crops there
हम्म,
and cultivate every year.
हम्म,
I like to go village very much because it is my favorite place. In the I went to village in summers because in summers
समर
children
समर
have
समर होता है खाली
in
समर
summers children have holidays. So I went there and play cricket with my cousin brothers and friends.
हम्म,
There is a lack of facilities such as there is less hospitals, less schools. There is not a proper education. We cannot get proper education in villages. So I live in Jaipur
हम्म,
due to lack of facilities.
शाबाश
There is also a lack of medical facilities.
हम्म,
There is only one hospital. There is only one hospital which is 10 kilometer away from us.
हम्म,
So it is also a reason why which we are living in Jaipur.
सो दैट बाय विच नहीं
So that we are living in a Jaipur.
हम्म,
I like my village very much. That's it, sir.
शाबाश वेरी गुड बहुत बढ़िया आ रहा है धीरे धीरे सब नेचुरल नेचुरल आने लग जाएगा धीरे धीरे कोई बात नहीं है वेरी गुड
सर
अच्छा इम्प्रूवमेंट है हाँ
सर आज का टॉपिक क्या है?
एज यू लाइक अच्छा से कोई भी टॉपिक चूज करो और बोलो उस पे बस रटा हुआ नहीं होना चाहिए तुम्हारा यस नाउ हर्षित
Yes, sir. Hello everyone. My name is Harshit Moore. I'm the student of Raman Online Interactive Classes. Today's my topic is health. Health is very important for us, and it is very important for us to perform our day-to-day tasks. And we've also said that health is wealth. It means that if you have health, then you can make wealth. And health is very important for us to go one place to another and to perform our day-to-day works and to earn our livelihood. Uh, and we must be careful about our health so that we can't go to hospitals. We must avoid medicines also. So in our day-to-day life, I know it's too busy for the persons who are employed. So what they can do, uh, they can do yoga, exercise and jogging in the early in the morning before going to their offices and the place where they works. And after returning from there, they may go to uh, a walk for after eating dinner. And health is wealth, as I have told you. This is sad because if you have health, then you can do anything and you may achieve anything that you want to achieve in your life. Uh, uh, for example, you may take the example of a student who is ill
in the days before 5 to 10 days of examination. His whole preparation gets waste, and his examination of 1 year gets worst as when he gets diseases, then he has to be on bed, and or his illness makes him not to keep the things that he wants to in his mind. So and nowadays most of the people are not aware about their health. You can see many people at the stalls the food where the street foods are sold. Those are made with a lot of oil, and also with other ingredients, and the cheap quality of those speaks very well. And so sometimes those things makes us too much ill. So that's it, sir.
वेरी गुड बेटा, शाबाश। आज थोड़ा सा फ्लो तुम्हारा हल्का था, और थोड़ा सा ध्यान रखो। रौनक।
Hello everyone, my name is Ronak. I study in Rambar Interactive Classes from batch 18, also batch 90. Today's my topic is science. As we know that what is science? Present age, science are very important. Science is very important for us. Science has given us many things, just like EV cars, EV bikes, AC, coolers, etc. EV, there are many Activa bikes, but they use on petrol. They hurt our environment. But EV cars and bikes don't hurt our.
अरे अब आर डोंट क्यों लगा रहा है, या तो आर क्यों लगा रहा है फिर? थोड़ा ध्यान तो दे।
Don't hurt our environment. Mobile phone, science has given mobile phone. Mobile phone is very important and useful gift for science. Science. Mobile. There are many use of mobile phone. Just like connect with every person. Take classes. Internet education, etc. We can't live without it in present time. And science invention is useless without electricity. Electricity is very important for science invention. Science has given us TV. TV is the big source of entertainment, and we can't live without science. That's it, sir.
Okay. ठीक है, कोशिश करते रहो। Yes. Kabir.
Yes, sir. Hello everyone, my name is Kabir. I am the student of Rambar English Interactive Classes from HPA10. Today's my topic is vehicle. As we know that we live in the age of science. Science gives us many things. Vehicle is one of them.
बोलते जाओ, हाँ का इंतजार मत करो अब।
Vehicle is one of them. It is the basic need. They are the basic need of human beings. Many types of vehicles like car, bike, ship, aeroplane, etc. It is used for transportation and go one place to another place. Three types of vehicle. First, air vehicle. First, water vehicle. First, air vehicle. Third, second water vehicle, third road vehicle. Uh, but vehicles are very bad for our environment. It uh, vehicles dirty our environment. Environment become dirty and ozone layer become weak. And pollution level become high. Pollution level become high. Yes, sir, that's it.
ओके, अच्छी कोशिश है बेटा, बस करते रहे बेटा, सब हो जाएगा धीरे धीरे, कोई चिंता नहीं बेटा, लैंग्वेज है, स्किल है, डेवलप होने में प्रैक्टिस चाहिए इसको डेवलप करने के लिए। यस अनुष्का।
Namaste sir. My name is Anushka Meena. I am the student of Ramban English classes from batch 19. Today topic is
बेटा सही नहीं आ रही तेरी आवाज, सही कर इसको बेटा, सही नहीं आ रही बेटा, इसको सही करके आ बेटा, अनु इसको सही करके आ बेटा, मैं जब तक किसी और से बुलवाता हूँ। यस कम ऑन गीता। गीता बेटा सही नहीं आ रही आवाज तेरी अनुष्का, लोकेशन चेंज कर थोड़ी अपने। गीता।
Yes, sir.
हाँ बेटा आजा।
Hello everyone, my name is Geeta. Today my topic is my favorite city.
Very good.
As we all know very well, as you know that very well, there are many cities in India, but my favorite city is Jaipur. Jaipur is the World Heritage City. Jaipur is established by Savai Man Singh.
सवाई जैसी वाज established। हाँ कोई बात नहीं बेटा बोल।
18 November 1727. It is a very big and beautiful city. There are many tourist places like Hawa Mahal, Jal Mahal, Jantar Mantar, etc. There are good facility of transport. Jaipur is located in eastern Rajasthan. It is the capital of Rajasthan. The headquarters of many departments are located in here.
शाबाश, इन
Like
बोलो बेटा, हेयर बस। हाँ
here like Rajasthan High Court, Police Academy, and Assembly, etc.
हिस्टोरिकल प्लेसेस भी तो होंगे जयपुर में, कुछ बताओ जयपुर के बारे में।
It is also called Pink City.
वेरी गुड। फोकस करो बेटा, फोकस करो।
The two parts of Jaipur. First is urban Jaipur and second is rural Jaipur. There are about 43 lakhs people living in Jaipur. In about the data of tourist department,
According to the data of tourist department,
according to data of tourist department, 20 lakhs people comes in Jaipur in yearly in a year
हाँ इन अ ईयर या ईयरली बोल दो खाली हाँ
to visit Jaipur. That's it, sir.
कोई बात नहीं शाबाश बहुत अच्छा कोशिश करो बस सब धीरे धीरे सब इम्प्रूवमेंट होता है बेटा बस कोशिश अपने को करनी है बस अच्छी कोशिश की है बहुत अच्छा बोला है संजू
सर मैं करवा दूं 1 मिनट.
हाँ चल ले आए इसको जब तक मैं इससे बुलवाता हूँ अनुष्का से अनुष्का आ गई क्या
सर अब आ गई आवाज
हाँ आ रही है बेटा आप बोल
Today my topic is the books. As we all know that books are very important. Books play an very important role in our life. Books give us knowledge about the things that we don't know. As the children which don't have parents.
who beta who children who
Who-
don't have parents हाँ
The children who don't have parents, they don't have anyone to guide them. They are guided by the books, as the book play a very important role in the student life also. The books tell us about the everything that which is wrong or right,
हाँ दामद लगाओ बेटा बुक से पहले हाँ बोलो आगे बोलो
and it also gives us many information about the world. Book is available for all the peoples. It do not difference between the poor.
it does not make any difference
It does not makes any difference between the poor and the rich. As books are many types of also, like biography on adventures, and nature's environment, etc. We all get we also get historical information from the books.
शाबाश बेटा वेरी गुड बेटा हाँ बेटा बोल
It to make people educated and literate.
वेरी गुड
Books also make our future bright. That's it, sir.
वेरी गुड बेटा बहुत अच्छे एफर्ट्स हैं बेटा कीप इट अप बेटा शाबाश यस एंड नाउ संजू आजा
Good evening, sir.
वेरी गुड इवनिंग
Hello, everyone. My name is Sanju. I am a student for Ramban Interactive Classes from BAT. Today, my topic is Udaipur. As you know, there are 50 districts in Udaipur. But I like 50 districts in Udaipur.
इन राजस्थान पागल
In Rajasthan.
बोल
But I like Udaipur because there are many tourism places
प्लेसेस हाँ
in Udaipur.
हाँ
Udaipur
आराम से फोकस करो बस तसल्ली से डीप ब्रीदिंग करो फोकस करो
Udaipur was establishment in Uday Singh
उदयपुर वॉज
by
एस्टैब्लिश्ड बाय
meant by Uday Singh
हाँ आराम से
in
बिल्कुल धीरे धीरे तसल्ली से
1559.
हाँ आराम से जल्दबाजी बिल्कुल नहीं हाँ
Udaipur is called by lake of city.
सिटी ऑफ
There
सिटी ऑफ लेक्स
there are a biological park.
इज आएगा ना देयर इज ए बायोलॉजिकल पार्क थोड़ा सा फोकस कर ले बस आराम से घबरा मत बिल्कुल भी हाँ
there are there is a many type of animal in it.
आ रहेगा ना मैनी टाइप्स ऑफ है तो आराम से करना सोच तो सही सिंगुलर प्लूरल के बारे में थोड़ा सा फोकस कर हाँ
This park is situated by nearby Sachingarh Fort. There are many lakes situated in Udaipur. One of them is Pichola Jheel. This lake is very beautiful and very big. City Palace is situated by nearby.
Nearby the Pichola Jheel.
Nearby Pichola Jheel, this is a museum. This palace is very beautiful. Jagdish Temple is situated by Pichola.
नियर सिटी पैलेस है बस ठीक है नियर सिटी पैलेस कर दो आप वहीं पे तो है जगदीश मंदिर
Near City Palace. This temple is built by Jagat Singh II.
was built
Jagat Singh II. There are many facilities available in Udaipur, like bus stand, airport, train facility. That's it.
ठीक है बेटा अच्छा है कोशिश करो बस घबराए मत करो बिल्कुल भी है ना हाँ हड़बड़ी में क्या होता है गड़बड़ी हो जाती है थॉट्स सारे इधर उधर हो जाते हैं आराम से पीसफुली बोला करो बिना किसी टेंशन के यस वैष्णवी
Yes, sir. Hello, everyone. My name is Vaishnavi. I am the student of Ramban online interactive classes from B18. And today my topic is my sister. And my sister's name is Tejashwini Kumari. And she is 7 years. And she reads in class 3rd. And she is very naughty girl. And she reads in my school. Her birthday comes on 9 December and her nickname is Khushi. She is very cute and naughty girl and she is very intelligent in study. And she is younger than me
than I हाँ बोल घबरा मत ये सब चीजें
she is smaller to me in 8 years.
younger में आ गया ना she is 8 years younger to me.
Yes, sir. And her favorite food is Shahi Paneer.
चटोरी है.
Yes, sir. And she likes to play her friends so much.
With her friends, हाँ.
With her friends, and she goes to school daily. And she do her homework daily.
Does, हाँ बोलो.
Her favorite color is pink. Yes, sir, that's it.
Very good, बेटा, शाबाश. बहुत बढ़िया है, बस करते रहो कोशिश. शाबाश. Yes, come on, Umesh.
Hello everyone, I am a student of Ramban online classes from batch 19. Today my topic is games. games have very important role in your life.
Our life, beta.
They are
Our life, beta.
our life. There are two types of game: indoor game and outdoor game. Indoor game are such as chess, ludo, carom, etc. Outdoor game outdoor game are such as cricket, badminton, football, etc. I like to play cricket. Cricket is starting by England.
Was started. आराम से.
Was started by England. We 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 are fit to play games. We play chess. Our mind has sharpened. Nowadays, children leave that these games and play games in mobile. That's it, sir.
Very good. शाबाश. बहुत बढ़िया बेटा. And now उमेश के बाद है युवराज.
Yes, sir. My name is Yuvraj Bhuta. I am a student of Ramban Interactive Classes. Today my topic is my favorite game is cricket. Cricket is a very popular game. It is an outdoor game. This game is played between two teams.
शाबाश शाबाश बेटा शाबाश. थोड़ा जोर से बोल.
There are 11 players each side in team.
इस साइड हो गया ना, बस इन टीम की क्या जरूरत है.
Side. It is played with a bat and a ball. The person who hits the ball is called batsman. सर वो बॉलर को क्या बोलते हैं?
बॉलर को बॉलर ही बोलते हैं बेटा. इंग्लिश का ही तो वर्ड है वो.
The person
वर्ब भी होती है बॉल. The person who bowls is called bowler.
The person who
bowls
is
called a bowler. हाँ, घबराए मत, आराम से. हाँ.
There are two umpires in a cricket match. The team with more runs is declared winner. I like this game very much. Yes.
ठीक है बेटा, थोड़ा रेगुलर है बेटा, थोड़ा सा है ना. हाँ बेटा, रेगुलरिटी जरूरी है बेटा. तू समझ किसी बात को, कुछ भी कर कैसे भी कर. यस आदित्य.
Yes, sir. Hello, everyone. My name is Aditya Donawat. Today is my topic. I am a student of Raman Online Interactive Classes. Today's my topic is my school. As we know that school is the very important in our life. School give us many education.
Much education. Much की भी जरूरत नहीं. School gives us education.
Yes, sir. 30 teachers in my school. There are 2 computer labs in my school.
शाबाश, very good. ऐसे बोल धीरे धीरे. हाँ.
And 2 science lab and chemistry lab. And 1 sport teacher.
There is 1 sport teacher. पूरा सेंटेंस बना के बोला कर. हाँ बोल.
Yes, sir. My school principal name is Vivek Kumar. He is very nice principal. My class teacher name is Mahendra sir.
आराम से बोल. शाबाश, धीरे धीरे तसल्ली से बोलता जा बेटा. वेरी गुड. हाँ.
Yes, sir. ma- many and there are many many flowers and plants and and many children grow plants in the playground.
वेरी गुड, शाबाश, बहुत बढ़िया, ऐसे बोले जाए बस.
Yes, sir. Sir, many children say if school is the best. But I say, school is the nice. There are many children and teachers and teachers who support us.
Teacher support us full.
Yes, sir. I like my school very much. Yes, sir. That's it.
शाबाश, आज बहुत अच्छा बोला बेटा. कोशिश करता रहे, बस सब बढ़िया हो जाएगा. कोई चिंता करने की जरूरत नहीं है बेटा, है ना. और कोई है? सब हो गया सबका? Is there anyone? I think all have taken their turn. Okay, thank you very much. Nice performance.